guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Steve here. I hope you've been enjoying some of the videos that we've been making. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Tautronics 3-in-1 HEPA air filter. This guy is perfect for using in your living room, your bedroom, your kitchen, anywhere that there may be extra dust, pollen, pet hair, and pet dander. This guy will do the job for you. A couple of things about this guy. So it can filter a 312 square feet room in approximately 36 minutes. It has 4 fan speeds. It has a quiet mode for use overnight, which I believe operates at 33 decibels. And the price of it is $129.99 Canadian dollars. But this guy often goes on sale. In fact, the one I have here cost me $26 Canadian, which I think is a steal. All right, so you used to be able to buy this guy off Amazon, but there was a bit of controversy with Tautronics and their review system, and they were taken off. However, you can buy their products directly off their website and get it shipped directly to you. Regardless of any controversy, I think that this may be a good product for you if you're looking for a relatively inexpensive filter for your room or for your home. So let's take a look at inside the box and outside the box and see if this is something that might be of interest to you and allow you to get a better view of what's inside. So this is the box. It's a pretty heavy box actually. It's the Tautronics logo with what it generally looks like inside the box. On the side it says Tautronics, and also on the back it just says that this guy is certified ARB. I guess that's from Ozone Principles. This is the model number TTAP008. And then on the other side, it also just says Tautronics technology enhances life. All right, so let's take a look inside this box. Let's get our trusty scissors. All right, so opening up the box right away, we get the user manual from Tautronics. I kind of like their color scheme, the orange color scheme. So let's take a look inside. It's a thank you note, giving you a, there's a warranty at the back and also a thank you card. Inside here is the user manual, which, I don't really think you need to look at this, but anyways, this is the user manual. Let's take a look inside. Some big box protector. All right, so inside the box, it's well protected. We are going to take it out. So inside the box is empty, it's just protection. All right. So this is the air filter itself. Comes in a plastic wrap. Just going to get this all off. All right, so let's take a look at the product itself. So this guy is cylindrical. It's a 360-degree filter. You have a power button or maybe a light here that allows you to know if it's on or off. The logo, and then on the back, or on the side actually, we have a lock here. So I believe that we can take this off, take a look where the filter is. Just gonna take some of the tape off first. Okay, so first of all, look at this cool looking handle. So this is a leather or maybe a fake leather handle that allows you to lift it up to carry it, which I think that's pretty cool. And here's your power plug, pretty standard. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to turn it to the unlock position, and I'm gonna pull it out and see what we have under the hood. All right, so inside here is your filter. This is a H13 HEPA filter, and as you know, it's wrapped in a plastic box. Definitely take off the box before you use it. So right here I have the air filter that's disassembled. You can see here in the center that this is the HEPA filter. It's an H13 HEPA filter. This is the base of the air filter and this is the canister. We're gonna put it in together and take a look inside and see how it operates. So first thing we do is we place the filter inside, pop it in. We can use the handle or we can just hold it up. And we will put it into the canister. So just remember on the side, there's the marking for you to put it into the lock, rotate it, and it clicks into place. So I'm going to bring it down for you to take a look. So here we have the power system, the power button, you press it on, and you can already hear the fan. This is the lowest setting. This is the night mode as well. If you press the moon, what it does is it sets it to the first power, but it also turns off the LED or the lights on this top so that at nighttime it doesn't bother you. There's a little reset button here, so whenever you put a new filter in, you just press that button and it'll tell the system that you've placed a new filter in there. It is recommended that you replace that filter every 3 to 6 months. You have the fan system here, so there are 4 power options. So level 1, level 2, level 3, and of course level 4, which they call turbo. And that one's pretty loud. You can definitely feel the air being blown out and circulated from the inside or on the side of the canister. Okay, so let's bring it back to level 1. And at the bottom, of course, there's the timer, so 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, or you can leave it off and it'll be a continuous mode. So that was a pretty simple unboxing video. Now, let me know below what you think of this air purifier. Is this something that you might be interested in? It's pretty cheap, so I think that it's good to catch it on sale and give it a try. All right, that's the end of the video. Hope you like this unboxing. See you next time and stay safe.